Here with a heavy rain here in Riverside, some of the wall buckled along there. Happens here from time to time. But one of the other older buildings here, this side of town. Right here in this corner, these two houses on either side of the yellow one burned down recently. Right here's a closed McDonald's next to a closed Walgreens. Right here next to the muffler and brake shop, an old church. That's an old church right there now. One of the older ones over here. Right back here was the original homeless camp. Kalamazoo, all back up in there. Straight ahead is what they're doing about it. Affordable housing being built right here on the other side of the Kalamazoo River right there. They're finishing it up. They have quite a ways to go here yet. You see the elevator shafts right there. Soon to be elevated. Gonna drive ourselves a little and out back over the tracks again to East Kalamazoo Avenue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.